We walk on roads. We live in homes. We study in school. We work in offices. We cross bridges that connect communities. These places have become part of our everyday lives. But have you ever stopped and asked, what makes these structures possible? Behind every design, behind every blueprint, and behind every landmark is a strong foundation. And behind many of these foundations is Holcim. Holcim is one of the world's leading providers of building materials and innovative construction solutions. Founded in 1912 in Holderbank, Switzerland, Holcim started as a small cement manufacturer with one vision: to build the progress for people and the planet. Today, more than a century later, Holcim operates in over 70 countries, helping shape communities around the world. But Holcim doesn't simply make cement, it helped transform architectural ideas into structures that stand the test of time. Every architectural masterpiece begins with an idea, but ideas alone cannot become buildings. Architects rely on materials that are durable, safe, and sustainable. This is where Holcim became an important part of the design process. From cement to ready-mix concrete to aggregates and innovative building solutions, Holcim provide the essential materials used in homes, schools, hospitals, airports, and skyscrapers around the world. Every line we draw as future architects eventually became a structure built with materials like this.
Today's architecture is no longer focused only on aesthetics. Modern buildings must also be energy efficient, environmental responsible, and resilient. Holcim supports this transformation by developing low-carbon cement, recycling construction materials, using alternative fuels, and creating greener construction solutions. Because great architecture isn't only measured by how beautiful a building looks, it's also measured by how responsibly it is built. As cities continue to grow, architecture continues to evolve. Buildings are becoming smarter, communities are becoming greener, infrastructure is becoming more resilient. Holcim continues to invest in innovation that helps architects and engineers create buildings designed not only for today, but for future generations. Across the globe, Holcim helps build the infrastructure that supports everyday life, from transportation systems to commercial developments, renewable energy projects, public infrastructure, and sustainable communities. Holcim provides the materials that allow architects and engineers to turn ambitious designs into reality.
Here in the Philippines, Holcim has supported residential communities, commercial developments, roads, bridges, and major infrastructure projects. Its commitment to quality and innovation continues to help build stronger Filipino communities. Holcim is a part of global construction supply chain. It connects raw materials, manufacturing plants, transportation networks, architects, engineers, and construction companies across different countries. This global system allows quality construction materials to reach projects efficiently while supporting economic development. However, building the future comes with major challenges. Cement production requires extremely high temperatures, making it energy intensive and a significant source of carbon emissions. Environmental regulations continue to become stricter, and the increasing demand for infrastructures requires companies to balance economic growth with environmental responsibility.
Holcim responds through innovation. The company develops low carbon cement, promotes construction recycling, invests in renewable energy, and support green building certifications. These solutions help reduce environmental impact while creating stronger and more sustainable communities. As architecture students, Holcim is highly relevant to our profession. Every material we specify affects a building's strength, durability, cost, and environmental impact. Choosing sustainable materials allows architects to create buildings that are not only beautiful, but also responsible. Because architecture isn't simply about designing spaces, it's about designing a better future. Holcim proves that construction and sustainability can move forward together. Through innovation, responsible manufacturing, recycling, and environmentally friendly building materials, the company contributes to a more sustainable future. As future architects, we also share that responsibility. Every design we create has the power to shape the world.
Holcim is more than a cement.
It is a partner in architecture.
An innovator in sustainable construction, a leader in building materials, helping architects create stronger, smarter, and greener buildings. They're not just building structures, they're helping architects build a better future for people and the planet. This is
Holcim.